Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we are going to start our sixth chapter that is about mathematical library methods. In this chapter, we will study about the different methods that are about the mathematical functions, like if we want to find any square root of the number, power of the number, and trigonometric functions, round, absolute, to find the maximum of the number, to find the minimum of the number, etc. These methods are mathematical methods, and these methods are already defined in the Java library under the math class. So the methods that are already defined in the Java library are called library methods. First of all, what is the library methods? These are built-in methods that are predefined in the Java library. We don't want to create them, and we just use that methods in the class. The library methods related to the mathematical functions are stored in the class math. Here's the name of the class is math, and this class is stored in the package that is java.lang package. This package is by default package that is already imported in the program, no need to import it. So by default package कौन सा है? lang. So जो math class है that is stored in the package lang. Now how we can use these methods? We have to write the class name, that is math, dot, then method name or function name that we want to use, and we have to pass the arguments in that function, that method, according to the syntax of that method. Yes, now let's start with some mathematical library methods. First mathematical library method is min method. So we have to write like this, math dot min. Here math is the class name, yes, in which this min function is stored, and min is the method or function that we have to use now. This method is used to find the minimum of two numbers. We pass two numbers to it and it finds the minimum out of two numbers. Its result depends upon the inputs. What it mean? अगर हम इंटीजर नंबर पास कर रहे हैं तो रिजल्ट इंटीजर रिटर्न होएगा. अगर हम इसको फ्लोट नंबर पास कर रहे हैं तो रिजल्ट फ्लोट होगा. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द इनपुट द रिजल्ट इज वेरीड. What is the syntax to write this method? We have to write the return type of method, variable name is equal to function name or method name, argument list. Here what is the return type? कोई भी फंक्शन, कोई भी मेथड आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन कोई ना कोई रिजल्ट देगा, एंड जो रिजल्ट होगा वो किस टाइप का रिजल्ट वो हमें प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिटर्न टाइप. The type of the result that is given by the function after the calculation is called return type, and the variable that is used to store that result which is given by the function. Here the name of the function that we have to use now, and here the arguments. We have to give the two arguments to the min function so that it can find minimum number out of 2. Let's take an example. I am writing int n. Here int is the return type of the function. ये कौन सी वैल्यू रिटर्न करेगा हमें? इंटीजर वैल्यू. कहाँ से पता चल रहा है? int से. And n is the variable that is used to store the result, is equal to math dot min function, min method that is used to find the minimum, and here I am passing two values 5 or 7. Out of this, which is the minimum value 5, so it is stored in the n variable that is given by the min function. Yes, if we are taking the double variable n and return type is the double, then we have to pass the double values as arguments in the min function. Depending upon the output, the result is returned. Here the values are real number, so it return the real number, so that's why we are taking here double. You can take it as a float also. And see beta, I am taking negative numbers. You know, here minus 6.5 is the minimum value instead of minus 3.5. Yes, so it returns the minus 6.5 that is stored in the n variable. Second method is math.max method. This is similar to min-max. This is similar to min method, but difference is that it returns the result as a maximum value out of two numbers. जो भी मैक्सिमम नंबर होगा उसे वो रिजल्ट में हमें रिटर्न कर देगा. Syntax is same as we have done in the min method. Yes, return type variable math.max. We have to write max here instead of min, and arguments. Let's take example. If I am writing int n, what it mean? The max returns the value that is of integer type, n is the variable, and math.max is the method that is used to find the maximum value. I am passing 5 or 7, then 7 is the maximum value that is returned by the max function, max method, to the n variable. Here if you are taking the floating values, then you have to declare the return type as a double or float, and the values are minus 3.5, minus 6.5. Here the bigger value is minus 3.5, so it returns the value minus 3.5 and it is stored in the n variable. Third function is math.pow, that is par method. It is used to find the value of index of the number expressed in exponential form. Yes, par की form में उसे calculate करता है. It returns always double value. It is very important. जो हमने अभी max और min method किए हैं, in that methods the value returned by the method depends upon the inputs, but here par method always return the value of double type. So here if I am writing a is raised to power n, yes, what it mean? A is the base and n is the index, and this par method is used to find the par of any number. Now take the example. Here you have to write double always, because I have already told you it returns the double value always. D is the variable is equal to math.par method 2.0, 3.0. Students, if you write 2, 3, then ये फिर भी आंसर क्या देगा? 8.0, because its return type is double. If you write 2.0, 3.0, then ये result क्या देगा? 8.0. After calculating 2 raised to power 3. Next, fourth method is math.sqrt, that is the square root method. This method is used to find the square root of any positive number. It's mandatory, any positive number. It always returns double type. Two things that you have to note down: positive number का square root find करेगा and double type return करेगा, double value return करेगा. Syntax is same, return type variable is equal to function name, and as argument you have to pass the positive number, only one value. Yes, let's take example. Double n is equal to math.square root 4.0. So you know what is the square root of 4? That is equal to 2, but it returns 2.0 because of double type. When you pass negative value instead of positive value, then it returns a different result, that is it returns NaN. What is the meaning of NaN? Not a number. It will not consider the negative number as a number. You have to pass only positive number to the square root method. Students, in your book there are different programs for each and every method, but I am writing only one program for all the four methods that we have already discussed. So let's take example. I am writing the class result, and inside the result class I have to declare the public static void main method. Yes, as usual we have done in every class. and now I am taking the variable n of integer type because min method है जो integer return करेगा. Why? Because I am passing the two integer value through it, 4, 6, and it calculates a minimum value 4 and return it to the n. Then system dot out dot println minimum value is to be displayed on the screen. Yes. Now I am taking the example of max and I have to declare return type as double because I am passing the double values. So from this, which one is the max value? Minus 3.5. It is stored into m, and system dot out dot println is used to display the value of the m, that is the maximum value out of these two values. I am taking sq variable to store the square root of the number, so it has to be declared double. Yes, it must be declared as double because square root method returns only double value. So if I am passing 196, then it returns the value 14 and it is stored in sq and that is displayed on the screen by system.out.println. Next, math.par method that always returns the value double, so that's why I am taking the double here and I am passing 3.0 comma 2.0. Then what is the result? Yes, 9.0 is stored in the d variable and that is shown on the screen by the system.out.println. Students, you can write the program of each and every method differently. आप अलग अलग भी इनका programs write कर सकते हो as the given in your book, but I am taking only one program and in that program I am collaborating all 4 methods that we have discussed. That's all, students. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.